What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Big Six Things. I am really excited today. I've got something to show you guys. Looky here. Got one from my man Car Mob. Thank you very much, Mobster. And 2 Hex Garage sent me 2 of them. So I really appreciate this, guys. And if anyone else wants to send me any stickers, I will mount them on the board once I get it up this week. All right, would you look at that? Not welded yet, but it's mocked up. Everything's coming out nicely. If you know, this is the shock tower, and this would be the frame plate that goes over the outside once it's welded together. I recreated the bend that comes naturally on there. But anyway, the front part here, that'll tighten up once that's just sitting in there. I've got that screw kind of holding it, but I rounded these edges right here because it's actually comes straight. That way the shock tower will look normal as it goes down the frame there. Get you another shot here on the other side. I still got a lot of rust cleanup to do, but this is a really nice kit. Not fun doing this, but it's getting done. Oh, so you want to be a tough guy, eh? Let me show you something. Out. Holy moly. That wasn't too bad a shape. Hey, they're out. Awesome. All right, here's where I'm at. This is a rough out cut, not quite the size, but most of the rust out of it, except what needs cleaned up. For those that don't know much about Mustangs, this shock tower goes all the way down, and that bottom plate right there is the bottom of it. It's spot welds to the frame under here. And it goes up, which that's all rotted out. My back piece is intact still. So I probably won't cut everything out as the kit comes with. So, but now I'm getting ready to work on knocking those spot welds out because I don't want that bottom piece out of there. So my strut plate will fit in there nice and level and be tack welded in there nice and straight. You can see up in there, nice and gray. Frame rail's good there. Once I get all that dremelled out and that bottom plate out, get all that smoothed out. So happy I didn't decide to just weld over top of that. Look at the rust in between there. Oh, if I can reach it, look at that. In between those. Glad I'm doing it right. I was admiring how nice my cross member looks. Very straight, rust-free. And then I noticed inside of that slot, that piece of paper. And what do you think that is? Body build sheet. Got a very much dreaded part done. Stock K member looks way better. It had an inch of grease on it. Anyway, that's 2 coats of Pour 15. I'm still wearing it 4 days later. Anyway, I'm pretty happy about getting that done. And as you can see in my shirt, victory is mine. Thanks for coming back, and please subscribe and like if you would. Thanks.